Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another BohemStyle monthly subscription. In case you are new to this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to try and find the individual materials that come in this box in case you just want a few things from the box, but not everything. But do keep in mind that a lot of the materials in here are exclusive to the box. So if you like a lot of things in the box, I just recommend that you get the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. And oh my gosh, did you see the last box we got? The design in the last box was amazing. I could tell there was so much thought and detail put into the necklace. If you didn't see it, I'll put a picture up now. Study the design. It is gorgeous. Okay, I really liked that. I thought it was amazing. Okay, so this here again is a different color than what we usually get. It is waxed cotton. It's just dark. I actually can't tell if it's black or if it's a really dark brown. It might be black. Anyways, this is a jewelry grade cord. And it's enough to make a piece of jewelry. You can actually make a double wrap bracelet with it if you wanted to. So don't throw that away. You can reuse it. You can also make one of those sliding necklaces. You know what I'm talking about? Where you put it around your neck and you have sliding knots on both sides. Okay, so there's a little note in here or something. What is this? Oh, I have my tray. I didn't forget it this time. I was prepared. The note says, "A little gift for your next beading project. Dear friend, we love being part of your creative journey. That's why we've prepared a special treat just for you. Use code FALL10 at checkout and enjoy 10% off your next order in our bead shop. It's a perfect time to stock up on Czech beads for your upcoming designs. This offer is valid for from October 1st to October 20th, 2025. Create something beautiful today. Your beads are waiting for you. With love, Natalie, Anna, and Craftica team." Alright, so let's check this out. There's a picture of the designs here on the paper. And there's a password to a video tutorial showing how to put the pieces together, so I'm not allowed to show it. Oh my gosh. It's going to be a multi-strand necklace and bracelet, and it looks like there's the peeled olive beads in it that I just used in not my last video, but the one before. I did 3 videos recently of designs, and it looks like there's going to be turquoise in it, but it's a little hard to tell. It's a little hard to tell because of how the ink is. But let's go ahead and go through the baggies and see what we got. Alright. We have bead stringing wire in bronze, beautiful, or brass. Okay. And we have, I don't know if my camera's right. It seems like it's always screwy. Oh my gosh. Little tiny rondelle beads in yellow. Actually, they're white with yellow on them. Oh, they're cute. Those are cute. I like those. And I've used these a lot for weaving. They're awesome for weaving. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this bead here is actually white, and it has this beautiful gold over top of it. I've gotten this bead several times now in 8mm Druks. I've got it in little Lucerne bicones that I've used in my dragonfly earrings. It's a beautiful bead. I've actually rebought it because I loved it so much. Can you see the gold on it? Sometimes, well, in the bigger ones, I've kind of noticed that it looks like the bead is actually pink with that gold on it. I don't really see it in the smaller ones, but I really notice it in the bigger ones. I love those. Can these be reordered? No, probably not. Well, actually, maybe. It seems like the ones that start with one of the ones that are now being, like, you can't reorder them. I've got these before. I also use these in a pair of earrings. So I think I'm going to put up a picture of the mosaic dragonfly earrings that I did a tutorial on. And I'm going to put a picture up of, I think, my last earring tutorial where I used this 4mm Druk. It's transparent, but it's a golden color. Yeah, I use these to make a pair of earrings. So I'll put a picture up for that. Those are pretty, aren't they? So they're kind of like these, but they're transparent. Oh my gosh, the whole box is gonna be like this. Look at these. So this bead is called Peeled Olive. I've been getting it recently. And it's weird because I'll get different subscription boxes, but I'll get the same shape of bead in different subscription boxes at the same time, in different colors. Look at that. That is pretty. So it's a golden color. A yellow golden color. I would say more gold than yellow though. Yeah, at least to me. I think they're gorgeous. There's a lot here. These are long beads. I'm gonna guess about 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, those are cool. Is this gonna be turquoise and gold and yellow? Maybe. These are called Orion beads. They're really neat. I don't remember. Did I use these? No, I didn't. There was another. This is weird. There's another pair of earrings. Like the last 3 earrings I've made, I have up there on this little tree earring rack thing. They're hanging. I haven't put them away. But there's another pair of earrings that I made. And in that kit, there was Orion beads, and I tried to use them for the design, but I ended up not working out, and I did little Lobster and Opaque cones in place of them. Aren't those cool? It's a really cool shape. It kind of looks like a little star to me, like a twinkling little star in the sky. Okay. Did I really put them over this far, or did the camera move? Okay, what's next? 2 lobster claw clasps, so necklace and bracelet in gold. Okay. Oh, we have melon beads. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this is. I think this is called teal, maybe light teal. I have 3mm Czech fire polish beads in my stash. And they're in this color, and it's called light teal. So they might be called light teal. These are 6mm melons. And they're very nice quality. Beautiful. That's a lot. It's beautiful. Sometimes when I go out on the boat, the water will be this color in the river. If I'm lucky. Those are gorgeous. Okay, and then we have, oh my gosh, more of these rondelle beads. The beautiful. I think this bead is actually dyed. There's a lot. And I'll take it out of the tray so you can see what it looks like without the light. Those are gorgeous. My favorite color, as you should know. I have a Yeti cup in this color. It's right here. See it? It's getting dented up. I've dropped it maybe 4 times, and the bottom wobbles when I sit it down. So I was tired of it wobbling. I'm like, it's just gonna tip over because the bottom of it's dented. So I went out to the garage and I was whacking the bottom of it with a hammer so that it sits flat. Because I'm not gonna buy another cup, right? I've had that thing for maybe 4 or 5 years now, the same cup. I'm just gonna keep repairing it. But it's probably lost insulation because I've dropped it. So this bead here is a 3mm Druk, and it is painted. Okay? And I've been seeing 60C beads like this. Cheap ones. And I mean, like, they're not uniform, okay? Now I'm seeing Czech PRECIOSA C beads like this. And the color on the cheap ones is called color baked, which I am assuming means that the color is baked onto the bead. So underneath this bead, it's probably going to be white, a white bead. I made something with these beads. Anyways. Oh my gosh. I've gotten something like this before. I don't remember if it was a Druk or if it was one of those, what is it called? The tulip beads. Not the regular looking tulip, but the one that has the dots on the top. This bead is crystal clear. And it has yellow and green like spray on it. Like it's spray paint. See that? It's clear in the middle. This one here you can really see the clear on it. They glow. They're really cool. But they also look golden. The green and yellow from a distance make them look like it's gold. So they're pretty cool. And that's a lot of beads. That's a whole lot. Okay. And then we have wire guards. And oh my gosh, you guys aren't going to believe this. So I've been beading since I was like 7 years old. I just turned 36 August 11th. And I just bought my very first magical gripper tool. Yeah, I had this on my cart for like maybe 3 years on Amazon. And it was like $22, $23. And it went down to $17.99. And it said at the top that it went down in price. And I'm like, you know what? I think I'm going to buy that. I should buy that. So I'm excited about that. And we have more peeled olive beads. And it's crazy because I know there's people out there that have probably just started beading and they've had that tool, and I've waited this long to get that. I have been using this, the Orion 3-in-1 crimper, and I love these. They do 3 different sizes of crimps, and I've been using these a lot. And my cat actually chewed on the handle. See these little teeth marks right here? Bad cat. But I love these. Those are amazing crimpers. I don't regret buying those. Okay, so we have a peeled olive bead in this milky turquoise or opal. They call it both names. Depends on where you're shopping. And I think I recently got this color in another box. It is beautiful. I don't remember if there was stripes in it or not. There could have been. Those are beautiful. They're matte. Look at that. It makes me think of sea glass. Although there's probably not sea glass in that color. That's what it makes you think of. Okay. Oh, these are 6mm. I think I might have these. What did I make with these? You know, it's also very possible that I tried to make something with these beads and it didn't work out and I used a different bead. That's also possible. That I might have not actually, like, I made something but it didn't turn out, so I didn't show it to you guys. That's possible. That's what I'm trying to say. So, these are the same as these. They're like color baked, like the seed beads I was talking about. I think it was on Shipwreck Beads that I saw the color baked Czech PRECIOSA seed beads. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got these in 6mm now. They're the same as these. But I told you guys how I've gotten these in 8mm in the past on a BohemStyle necklace. I should just put the necklace up. I love the design so much. I've had it on my necklace bust over there ever since I've got that box. Yeah, I'll go look through pictures and see if I can find that necklace. Look at the beads. You'll see that these beads in 8mm on that necklace. Alright, so these are awesome. Look at how they have like little spots on them To me, these beads are kind of like Picasso beads. See the little patterns on them? They're so cute. And they have a pinkish look to them. See it in that one right there? It's very light, very subtle pink. Okay. And what else? Jump rings. 5mm, maybe. And then we have 4mm. These are unique fire polish beads. They're not just yellow, they actually have like marbling in them. They're really cool. And they're matte on top of that. Or are these the opal ones? I have to put it up to the light. I can't tell. These might be opal. Yellow opal. Or milky. Same thing. Different name. Then again, this one looks like it has marbling in it. Do you see it? Can you see it? They're really cool. These are not painted or dyed. These are... This color is all the way through the bead. Very neat. What's next? We have, I believe, extender chain. But I'll open it just to see. Oh, it looks like we have a pendant in there. Yes, extender chain. There's 2 of them. Maybe 2 inches long, each one. Okay, and then... Oh my gosh, is this a heart? This is a heart. It's a new heart bead. A new Czech glass heart. I've not seen this one yet. I couldn't tell what it was in the picture. It's white with gold on it, or yellow. It's beautiful. The hole is on the side there, which is awesome because I don't think we have any heart beads like this. Most of the Czech hearts have the hole going up through the center of the bead like this. We've never had one like this. So how exciting is this? Yeah, that's not going to flip. It's right at the top there. That is so cute. And this bead, the coloring is amazing. I hope you could see how beautiful that is. The color. Okay, there's a baggie left. Crimp beads. Yes, little crimp beads. Size 1. Okay, so this is it. This is everything we are getting in this box. And don't forget about this little coupon code here. Okay, in case you're interested, you get 10% off your order. And it starts October 1st through the 20th. Fall 10. Okay, looks like everybody will probably be able to use this coupon. Okay, so this is it. Remember, I'm going to put a picture at the beginning and at the end of the video of what all of this looks like put together. I'm going to leave a link for the BohemStyle box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to try and leave links for the materials you see here down there below in the description bar. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.